Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. Today on the channel we're doing something very special because we're doing another smoked dessert. Now with the summer season pretty much already in full effect, you're probably going to be invited to some bring your own kind of things for some cookouts or parties or whatever. And here's what I want you to do. I want you to sign up to bring a dessert, and I want you to bring this, because today we are making a smoked strawberry cheesecake cobbler. That's right, this thing is going to be incredible, and we're going to make it right here on my Pit Boss Platinum Series Lockhart. So listen, the birds are chirping. I wish I knew what they were saying. And I'm ready to go if you are, so let's get started. All right, as we get started on this delicious cheesecake cobbler concoction, we're going to start with a mixer, and into my mixing bowl is going to go a half of a package of cream cheese. So this is going to be about 4 ounces, and this is softened cream cheese. And now, just like that, we're going to go ahead and just lightly mix this around, and just until it's kind of nice and creamy. And now to this cream cheese, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of just granulated sugar. Then we're going to go back in and mix this together just until it's all mixed. All right, that is mixed well. Next we add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix that in. All right, that looks perfect. Now we're going to take this and set it aside while we take our next step. All right, now in a separate bowl, we're going to mix together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a tablespoon of baking powder, and a teaspoon of kosher salt. That's all in this together, and 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. So we're just going to whisk this together until all those ingredients are combined, and then we'll add a wet ingredient. So just taking care of the dry stuff first, and then once that is incorporated nicely, we'll add in 2 cups of whole milk. And then again, just whisk until this is combined. All right, that is combined, and now it's time to start building. Okay, here in my 12-inch cast iron pan, we're going to add 1 stick of melted butter. Next, I'm going to add this batter that we made that was kind of that combination of those dry ingredients and the milk, but we're not going to stir. We're not going to stir to incorporate that with that butter, because that butter is going to just form a really nice, beautiful kind of, almost like a buttery crust sort of thing. Next, we come in with some beautiful strawberries, and we're just going to place these right on top, just like that. Doesn't matter what side goes on, just going to put them on. All right, and then remember our cheesecake mixture that we made at the very beginning. We're just going to put little spoonfuls of that just kind of all over. Just like that. Oh man. Just wait till you see what this looks like when it comes out. Just little dollops here and there. All right, there we go. Now that is it. That's all that we're doing. So now let's talk about how we're going to smoke this today. All right, today we are smoking, like I mentioned, on the Pit Boss Platinum Series Lockhart. It's got 2 different chambers for cooking. I'm going to be cooking in the upper smoking chamber today. And the way that this works is whatever the temperature in the main chamber is, typically you're going to be about 100 degrees less in the upper chamber. So I have the lower chamber set to 450 degrees because we want to be smoking today at 350. And at that temperature, it's probably going to take about an hour, maybe like an hour and 10 minutes or so. But I'm going to continuously come out after about 45 minutes and give it like a toothpick test, just like you would anything you're baking in your oven. And if the toothpick comes out clean, it means we're ready to eat. I'm smoking today using the Pit Boss Cherry Blend pellets. Cherry wood is fantastic on desserts, and Pit Boss has made an incredible cherry blend that's absolutely fantastic, especially on this dessert. Hey, before we go into the smoker, if this is your first video here on the channel that you've ever watched, please do me a favor and click that thumbs up to like the channel, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. That'll help a lot more people find us and get to experience this delicious outdoor cooking content. But with all of that said, let's get this cobbler concoction in the smoker. All right, the smoker is at 350 degrees, and in goes our cobbler. And we'll just let it sit just like that until it's ready. So we'll close it up. And I'll see you in about 45 minutes. All right, it's been about 50 minutes. So let's go ahead and take a look. I can already see through the glass. This looks incredible. Oh man. Look at that. Woo-wee. Oh man, that crust. That beautiful brown top from that smoke. Oh my gosh. So we got to give it the old toothpick test. We'll just kind of see how it's doing here. And we'll go right towards the middle. And look at that, perfectly clean. Yep, we are good to take this off. And here we go. Wow. Oh, what a delicious smell. Holy cow. Oh, the strawberries. Ooh, the cheesecake. And now it's one final step. Just gonna go in a little powdered sugar right on top. OMG. And then just for a little prettiness here, right in the middle, just a few little mint leaves. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Does that look amazing? Gosh, wow. And the smell is insane. All right, let's just go in here and show you some of this deliciousness. Just gonna carve out just a little chunk here. I'll go in and look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that. Beautiful. All right, wow. What a fun cook, what an easy cook, and I believe this is gonna be a delicious cook. So here we go, it's time to try this beautiful, delicious smelling smoked strawberry cheesecake cobbler. Here we go. Oh, the smell. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that is phenomenal. You definitely get the cheesecake taste. You definitely get those strawberries. The sweetness is perfect. It's not overly sweet. It's just absolutely delicious. Listen, this served warm with a little scoop of vanilla ice cream, maybe some strawberry glaze or something. Oh, this delicious dish gets a big fat holy smokes. That is delicious. Well, like I said, you gotta try this. Take it to your next party or whatever you've got where you're the dessert person, or just make it and eat it at home. It's very simple, it's very delicious. And yes, you do get some smoked flavor out of that. Those cherry blend pellets are where it's at. Well, this is going inside, and listen, it's gonna get devoured pretty quickly. But thank you once again for tuning into the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. Again, make sure that you like and subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see us cook here outdoors on the smoker. And for more desserts that you can make outside on your smoker, check out one of these 2 videos of some desserts that we've made here that have been absolutely incredible. Check those out, and I'll see you next time.